How to sync multiple clips in Adobe Premiere Pro CC free tutorial. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Drag the video or video piece and audio pieces that you would like to sync in Adobe Premiere Pro. Highlight both of them by dragging down your mouse and holding, and then right click and then click synchronize. You have different options to synchronize the audio, the end of the clip, or the start of the clip. And in this case, I'm going to click the audio piece and click the drop down arrow and then choose the track that you would like to see and then click OK. As you can see now, Adobe Premiere Pro CC has sunk multiple clips. It has successfully sunk the video and the audio piece. But if you want to sync the audio and multiple audio and video clips, you can do the same thing by highlighting everything. Right click and click S on your keyboard shortcut to synchronize. And then under audio, you want to click mix down and click OK. And as you can see, everything has been successfully sunk together. But let's verify. But we can see that this audio piece on audio 4 and in audio 3 has been synced, but they're not completely synced all together. So in this case, you're going to have to manually sync by zooming in on the timeline and then going over here and dragging this down so that you can see that the audio piece more clearly. And I'm dragging this to the right until both of these audio pieces are perfectly sunk together. Let's just double check, and then there you have it. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.